pivot table is used to extract the data to create information, from one larger database. Let us see. First of all, for inserting one pivot table, we need to select the data and go to insert. Insert is here. Go to insert and select pivot table. From table range, automatically as you have selected the data range, that's why it is taking. And then new worksheet. In case of new worksheet, another one new worksheet will be created. Then press OK just. And this is pivot table. Here pivot table will be created based on the information based on the data field which will be extracted. First of all, we are taking name and then name of the month, and then we are taking name of the employees, and then we need to extract the information. We have to present the salary details of the month of November to our HR manager. So we need to put work days, number of work days, sorry, and then present day in row level, absent day, and working day. Then or only for example working day we are taking, and then per head income and total salary. One thing I need to tell, that is without selecting, you may drag it, just put and keep here. So this is what data you have created. For giving it one good look, go to select it, go to option, then create, and go to option and go to display. Here display is here, and classical pivot table layout you have to tick, and then see everything is here. And if you want to repeat this November to each or every cell, go to field setting.
Analyze.
Yes, just a minute. Go to analyze. Go to analyze, and here under layout and print, you have to repeat with item levels. See. Now, if you want to give, for example, here in-hand salary will be followed by rupees symbol. Then go there, and under here, under the value field, your on right arrow, you have to click and go field value setting. Then here number format, and go to accounting. Yes, rupees automatically it is available, or you may select from here drop down list and food. Okay, this is. And also in case of design, if you want to give design, then here also you may select multiple options. Multiple design is here. One thing that is subtotal. Do not show subtotal. If you do, subtotal is removing. See, previously November total, this is subtotal, and this is grand total. Okay, if
subtotal option,
yes,
subtotal option will be removed.
Yes, subtotal row will be removed. Only grand total is available. Okay. And also a lot of things, something, just a minute, let me show you. That is, for example, if any data is here, Disani is not visible, but database, it is available in database.
Okay.
So what you need to do, Disani has been added, but it is not available on the information. In information it is not available. So what you need to do, you need to go to the view, not view. You need to, for updating database pivot table, you need to go to data, and then refresh all. Refresh all. It is not coming. Yes, why it is not coming? Because pivot table range is, you need to expand the pivot table data source range. Data source range is what? See, this portion of this portion is means what? Excluded from the data range. So you need to expand the data. So what you need to do? Just put 22, 23. This one has come. But here, for example, if this name has been changed, for example, what
Once,
we're
just show
giving
me
one.
once. I didn't
Yes,
get it.
sorry.
Just show me once
Okay.
the last.
Yes, yes. For expansion of the database, pivot table range, within pivot table range, if you want to expand, then what you need to do? You need to click here and go to pivot table analysis, and from pivot table, from pivot table analyze, you have to go change data source, and then change data source, and here you have to expand 23. Why we are given? Because this is 23 number row is excluded from the database.
Okay.
So okay, and Disney has come. But here, for example, you are giving a different name. Different name is for example, Subroto, Subrata, Subroto. But it should be changed. Database has been updated, expanded, but it is still showing Disney. So what you need to do, you need to go to data and refresh all. See, Disney has been replaced by Subroto. Are you observing?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Got it.